Men, here's the truth. Women might say they want one thing, but deep down, they're secretly wishing you'd do something completely different. And when you finally do it, oh, trust me, they notice. We were about to uncover 8 things women secretly want men to do, but rarely admit out loud. Why is this important? Because relationships are often shaped not just by the big moments, like birthdays, anniversaries, or romantic trips, but by the small, subtle things you do every day. Think of it like ordering at Chick-fil-A or In-N-Out. Sure, you can stick to the basic menu, but the real flavor? It's in the secret menu items. Relationships are kind of like that too. Women may not spell out these hidden desires, but when you tap into them, it makes her feel more connected, more valued, and honestly, more in love with you. So, grab a snack, maybe some fries or a slice of pizza, and let's break this down. 1. Compliment her in unexpected ways. Every guy knows you should say she's beautiful. But here's the secret. Women want compliments that show you really notice the details. It's not just, "You look pretty tonight." It's, "Wow, that color looks amazing on you." "I love how your laugh fills the whole room." Or even, "The way you explain things makes so much sense. I admire that." It's like when someone remembers your exact Starbucks order. Tall caramel macchiato, extra caramel drizzle. That tiny detail makes you feel seen. That's what she's secretly craving from you. 2. Take initiative. Without being asked, women love when a man steps up, not in a controlling way, but in a "I've got this" way. For example, planning a date without asking her to decide every detail, making a reservation at Olive Garden on a Friday night just because, or grabbing her favorite Ben & Jerry's flavor from the store without her even hinting. It shows thoughtfulness and confidence, and deep down, women love that balance of he listens and he leads. 3. Show affection in public, but tastefully. Here's a secret. Women don't just want affection in private. They want to feel chosen in public, too. It could be as small as holding her hand while walking through Target, wrapping your arm around her at the movie theater, a quick forehead kiss while waiting for coffee at Dunkin'. It's like staking a little invisible flag that says, "She's mine, and I'm proud of it." Not in a possessive way, but in a protective, loving way. 4. Listen without fixing everything. This one's big. Most men are natural problem solvers. If she says her coworker annoyed her, your brain instantly wants to give a solution. But here's the twist. Women secretly just want you to listen. Not fix, not advise, just nod, empathize, and maybe throw in a, "Wow, that sounds frustrating." Think of it like when you vent about your favorite team losing. You don't want someone giving you a full game analysis. You just want someone to say, "Man, that sucked." Same energy here. 5. Surprise her with the little things. Not every surprise has to be a diamond necklace or a trip to Miami. The little things are often the biggest. Leaving a sticky note on the fridge with, "Good luck on your meeting, you got this." Sending a random "thinking of you" text in the middle of the day. Bringing home her favorite Taco Bell order after work. Those tiny surprises create massive emotional impact. Women secretly love to feel like you were thinking about them even when you're not around. 6. Respect her independence. Here is something a lot of guys miss. Women don't always want a knight in shining armor swooping in. Sometimes she wants to do her own thing. Whether it's girls' night out, solo Target runs, or working on her side hustle. When you respect her independence instead of getting clingy or jealous, it makes her feel trusted. And guess what? That trust makes her love coming back to you even more. 7. Compliment her mind, not just her looks. looks fade. But her intelligence, humor, creativity, that's what women really want you to notice. Say things like, "You always come up with the smartest solutions." "I love how passionate you are about your hobbies." "You explain things in such a cool way, I learn from you all the time." It's like ordering dessert at Cheesecake Factory. Sure, the cheesecake is the obvious choice, but when you try that surprise tiramisu, it hits different. Women want to feel like more than just the obvious. 8. Be emotionally vulnerable, the climax point. This is the big one, the one most men struggle with. Women secretly want men to open up, to be real, to show that you have feelings, fears, and even insecurities. It doesn't make you weak, it makes you human, and it creates an unbreakable bond. Think about it. When you share something personal, it's like giving her a front row seat to the real you. And women love that intimacy. It could be as small as admitting, "I had a rough day at work today," or as deep as sharing something about your past that shaped you. That vulnerability is the ultimate secret weapon, because once you open up, she feels safe opening up too. And that's where the strongest love lives. So, here's the truth. Women don't just want the surface level stuff. They secretly crave the small actions, the thoughtfulness, the balance between strength and vulnerability. And honestly, these 8 things are like hidden cheat codes for deeper connection. So let's recap quickly. Compliment her in unique ways. Take initiative, show affection in public, listen without fixing, surprise her with little things, respect her independence, compliment her mind, and finally, be vulnerable. Here's the challenge for you. This week, try just one of these with the woman in your life and watch how her eyes light up. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 8 things do you think is the hardest for most men to do? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more psychology and relationship insights, and share this with someone who might need the reminder. Because when you unlock these secrets, you don't just make her happy. You build a love that lasts.